Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pedro Rodriguez, a professor with a degree in biology and chemistry from the Francisco de Paula Santander University, and I am very excited to have you here. My goal is to work tirelessly to produce updated content of general interest. Through this channel, I want to share with you my passion for education, science, art, culture, world destinations, gastronomy, and many more topics that I hope will be of interest to you. I am passionate about art and culture, and I love to share with all my knowledge and discoveries. On the channel, you will find videos about theater, literature, music, cinema, painting, sculpture, and more. I will also talk about the different cultures of the world, their customs, traditions, and festivities. Food is one of the pillars of the culture of each place. Therefore, on my YouTube channel, you can also enjoy videos about gastronomy. We will try simple, traditional, exotic dishes and much more. In addition, you will also learn the history behind the most famous dishes and the best restaurants in the world. Well, this is just a small sample of what you will find on my channel. Thank you for joining me and for letting me share all I have to offer you. Let's make this journey full of discoveries, knowledge, and passion together. Thanks to you, my subscribers, who are the main reason for this channel and give me strength to make the best possible content. Thanks for clicking and watching my videos. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I leave the links in the description box. I hope you enjoy it to the fullest and see you in the next video.